Oh man, it's actually like 24 degrees. You lie.
people do that. And just like that, we're done with Cars and Coffee. This one in Nashville specifically, the one that's out here in Lebanon at the Nashville Super Speedway. It's one of the biggest ones that we have. It was like 26 degrees when we woke up this morning. So obviously it wasn't like as massive as it normally can or should be. But nonetheless, it was still a pretty good day. But we are leaving now. You got to see everything that I saw. And honestly, dude, I love it. I'm a big fan of how everybody really supports this. Because this used to be in Franklin. It started off in a movie theater parking lot. And it just kept growing and growing. And yeah, it's fantastic. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just kind of came by to check it out. I haven't been over here in a while, and since it's the beginning of the year, so obviously everyone wants to come out, check it out, support it, do all that good stuff. I thought it was a pretty good turnout. Big fan. If you want to check out more like videos or anything else that I took today, follow me on Instagram. I'll put it up here somewhere. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.